Okay, so here I'm going to do a few examples of order of operations. Now, what do we mean by order of operations? Well, in maths there's a certain grammar, there's a certain way you have to do questions. For instance, if I have a problem here which is 3, written as 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5. Now, the wrong way to do it, and I'll do it in red, would be if you add 3 to 4, you get 7, multiplied by 5 would be 35, which is wrong. So what you want to do is think to the order of operations, and there's a certain list or a sequence in which these calculations have to be performed. And this is BONDAS, called BOMDAS. Sometimes you could say, well, I'll go through what each of them means first. So B stands for brackets. So that's the thing, if there's a bracket in the problem, you solve the brackets first. The O stands for of, and it's to do with powers. So if you've got square roots or indices. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. So this is the sequence in which we carry out events. Just a small note on this is that they're kind of grouped together. Doesn't really matter once you get it's multiplication or division, addition or subtraction. Okay, for the problem we have here, you'll see that we've got a multiplication first. So we have to solve that first. Now I like to do it in sequence, so you'd have is equal to 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5, which is 20. And then fill in the last line, which is equal to 23. That's the answer, and you can see that it's not the same as 35, so the order you do the operations is very important. Now I'll give another example here, and I'll try 2 brackets 8 minus 3. Now again, thinking of BEMDAS, which comes first? Well, there's a brackets there, so we're going to have to work out the brackets. Now I like to see the maths done out step by step. I'll just maybe put question numbers in this. This is question 1, this is question 2. So here we have 2 brackets 8 minus 3, which is 5. So we did the brackets first. Coming from B came first. And so we've got, and then we're on to multiplication. 2, the brackets is the same as having a multiplying sign. So 2 multiplied by 5. So that's equal to, and I'll just put it in blue again, is equal to 10. So that's the answer for question 2. Now I'm going to show you a little bit more complicated question. So question 3 here, we're going to go with 2 times 3 plus 2 squared plus the square root of 4. Okay, and this would be an ideal opportunity if you want to see you can do them, to pause this session and try the sum and then look at the solution. So I'll give you a couple of moments to pause it there. Okay, well, I'm going to go through my BOMDAS for the solution of this. So this is going to be equal to, first off, B. Do we have brackets? Yes, we do. We can see the brackets there. So let's get through them. So we can write this line out. So do one step and then write it out again. So we've got 2 times 3 plus 2 is 5 squared plus the square root of 4. So that was brackets that we've done there. We just worked out the brackets. Do we have powers of? Now remember, the powers also includes the square root. So we've got 2 of these here. So the powers of, we've got 2 of them. We've got 5 squared and the square root of 4. Now we can probably work both of them out in this one line. So I'll write in, it's 2 brackets 5 squared. It's very important it's 5 squared, that you don't multiply by the 2 first. It has to be 5 multiplied by 5, which is 25, plus the square root of 4, which is 2. 2 multiplied by 2 gives you 4. So finishing off this line then, what do we have next? We've got 2 brackets 25, which is the same as a multiplication. So I'll fill in the answer for this one then. We've got is equal to 2 multiplied by 25 is equal to 50, and then we've still got that plus 2. And then finally, that's just equal to 52. So the answer for this part here is just 52.